Hello buddy and welcome to my channel. I'm assassinghost and today we are going to see how you can create a neon text effect in Adobe Photoshop Creative Cloud. Before we begin, you should go to the description and download these two files. The first one is known as ballpen regular OTF open type font. This is basically the font we are going to use, and the second file is neon text effects.pst. So these are the two files we are going to work with today, and the link will be from Mediafire. It will be a direct link, no redirection, no link shortening, nothing, just a direct Mediafire link. Click on it, download it, and it's going to be about 32 megabytes. Once you have these files, go to the ballpen regular and double click on it and click on install. Since I've already installed, I'm receiving this message, but go ahead and press yes, and it will install the font on your system. So I will close this window, and I'm just going to open this PSD file in my Photoshop. So basically, we have a predefined text which is dance and drink, and of course you can go ahead and change it because it's a smart object. So as you can see here, your text is a smart object, so we can just go ahead and easily change this text. So double click on the thumbnail, not the text but the thumbnail. Once you click on it, you will get a separate window for the text. You can go ahead and hide it, or you can just go ahead and delete it. After you create a new layer, you can just go ahead and maybe delete the old one. And after you do that, go to this text tool, press on it, and now press somewhere in the middle and choose your font, which will be ball pen in this case. And after you do that, choose your font size. I'm going to choose something like 300px. And once we do that, just type the text you want. So for example, I've typed host. I'm going to Control A or Command A to select everything, and then I'll press V to use the move tool. And after that, I'm going to align it to the center, horizontal and vertical center, so that it's in the complete center. Now I will press Control or Command D to deselect it, and after that I'm going to save this. Once I save this file, I'll get the updated version of my original neon text effect PST. So basically, as you can see, we have this nice looking neon with different sign and other effects. And as you can see, we have this effects, and here we have reflection, filler, main, glow, shadow, and you can go ahead and tweak it according to your needs. And after that, you also have the option to change the background. So we already get a wall background on our document, but you can go ahead and change it. So let me just go ahead and quickly change it. I'll go to pictures, and let me say I choose something like where is it? Yes, I'll go to the pictures and I'll choose this wall, for example, and I'll place it right here, and I'm going to scale it. So as you can see, you can just choose any background you want which will be compatible with this text, and this is basically a bright one, so it's not looking quite good, but the default background we get is quite good, so you should use that. And basically this is how you can create neon text effect in Photoshop. And please leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel. We are about to hit 1K subscribers. We are just 200 subscribers away from reaching 1K. Share it with your friends. And as always, thanks for watching.